Hi guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to use Klarna on Uber Eats. So if you are trying to come to Klarna and shop for Uber Eats, in the store section, that will not work. You need to do this indirectly. And the way you go about this, you come here, tap on one-time card, and you create a one-time card. Okay, this is basically like a normal debit card. Okay, it's a virtual Visa card, and it's limited use. It's only valid for 24 hours. You can use, they'll give you an account number, okay, expiration date, and CVV code. You add this to your Uber Eats account as a payment method, and you basically use it like you are making a normal purchase, okay? And make sure you come here at the bottom, right click on the profile icon, check your purchase power, because Klarna may decline if the amount does not match your approved limit, okay? But otherwise, you can shop using that card. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.